21. For an ellipse, x squared divided by a squared plus y squared divided by b squared equals 1, our a is bigger than b. So that means our major axis is going to be the x-axis, or the horizontal. We have foci f and f prime, and a point P lie on the ellipse. When a triangle PFF prime is a right triangle with the length of side A, we're going to find the value of A times B. All right, and our A and B are all going to be positive. All right, so let's look at this. I did a little picture here, it's a little sketch, so just to help us guide us through. We don't have to sketch it, but basically we're going to have this 8 here. So we know that the length of F times F prime equals 8. So that means these two focuses here are going to be one, the F is going to be 4, 0, and the other one, F prime, is going to be negative 4, 0. Now, since we have that A is greater than B and B is positive, the length of the major axis is 2A. So this whole length here, from here all the way through here, is 2A. We also know by triangles that 2A equals the length of PF. So this length plus this length gives you 2A. So that's going to be PF plus PF prime. These two lengths. So that's going to equal 8 plus 8. So 2A equals 16. So A equals 8. So that's all we need for that. And then we find our B. So that just means this length is 8. And this length is 8. When you add them together, you get 16. All right, now let's find our B value. And we're going to use the fact that C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So our C is going to be 4. So we're going to get C squared equals 4. Oh, well, C squared is 4, so we're going to write 4 squared equals 8 squared minus B squared. Therefore, B squared equals 64 minus 16, which equals 48. Now we have to find B, so B is going to be square root of 48. Well, that is 16 times 3. So 16 times 3, so we can pull out square root of 16 is 4, and we have to leave 3 on the inside. So here's our B. We have our B and our A, and now we have to do A times B. So A times B is going to be 8 times 4 square root of 3. And this gives you 32 times the square root of 3. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.